Kinzhal. This Russian air-launched missile reaches speeds around Mach 10 and covers a distance of roughly 2,000 kilometers when deployed from a MiG-31. It is a modified Iskander missile designed for high-altitude release to reach hypersonic velocities quickly. It has seen use in Ukraine, marking a rare instance of this technology being deployed in active combat. Its primary advantage is the ability to strike high-value targets with very little warning, making it a formidable tool for precision strikes. Avangard. This hypersonic glide vehicle is launched atop an intercontinental ballistic missile and can travel over 6,000 kilometers. Once it reaches the upper atmosphere, it detaches and glides toward its target at speeds reportedly exceeding Mach 20. Because it can maneuver during its descent, it is extremely difficult for current defensive systems to track or intercept. Russia developed this system to ensure its nuclear deterrent remains effective against evolving missile shields, representing the extreme end of skip-glide technology. Zircon. This scramjet-powered cruise missile maintains speeds of Mach 8 or higher across a range of about 1,000 kilometers. It is primarily designed for naval warfare, launched from ships or submarines to strike enemy carrier groups. At these velocities, the kinetic energy alone is enough to cause catastrophic damage to a vessel, even without an explosive warhead. It reportedly creates a plasma cloud that absorbs radio waves, making it naturally stealthy to traditional radar during its final approach. DF-17. This Chinese system is the world's first operational medium-range missile equipped with a hypersonic glide vehicle, boasting a range of up to 2,500 kilometers. It was designed to provide a credible threat to naval assets and regional military bases throughout the Indo-Pacific. The missile releases its payload at the edge of space, which then glides back through the atmosphere at speeds between Mach 5 and Mach 10. Its low-altitude path makes it much harder to detect than traditional ballistic missiles. DF-ZF. This is the specific hypersonic glide vehicle used on Chinese missiles like the DF-17, capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 10. It spent several years in the testing phase, demonstrating an ability to bypass sophisticated air defenses through complex maneuvers. By staying at lower altitudes, it remains hidden by the Earth's curvature for much longer than a standard warhead. Its development focused on using extreme speed to penetrate the defensive layers surrounding modern carrier strike groups in the Pacific. AGM-183 ARRW. This American boost glide weapon is designed for speeds over Mach 5 and a range of approximately 1,600 kilometers. While it faced several development setbacks in its early years, recent efforts in 2026 have seen a revival of the program to secure an air-launched hypersonic option. Designed for the B-52 bomber, it aims to modernize older aircraft by giving them a high-speed standoff capability. It remains a major part of the effort to master the precision required for rapid response from the air. HAWC. This program focuses on air-breathing scramjet technology to achieve sustained speeds above Mach 5 over distances of several hundred kilometers. It uses atmospheric oxygen to fuel its engine, which allows for a smaller and more versatile tactical weapon compared to rocket-boosted gliders. Recent testing has proven that sustained hypersonic flight is possible for these more compact systems. The goal is to produce an affordable weapon that can be deployed in large numbers by standard fighter jets. Dark Eagle. This is the United States Army's premier ground-launched hypersonic system, with a reported range exceeding 2,700 kilometers. A large booster rocket carries a common glide body to high altitudes before releasing it to strike targets at speeds well above Mach 5. The system is mobile, allowing units to relocate launchers quickly to avoid being targeted by counter-battery fire. It provides a strategic deep strike capability that functions independently of support from the Air Force or the Navy.